Ever opened a coding tutorial and closed it 5 minutes later? Because nothing made sense. You're staring at the screen. Errors everywhere, and you start thinking, maybe coding just isn't for me. Most learning platforms make coding feel complicated, boring, and overwhelming. Long lectures, confusing explanations, and zero motivation to continue. But learning to code doesn't have to be that hard. That's where Programming Hub Coding app comes in. Programming Hub is designed to make coding simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. Inside one app, you can learn Python, Java, C++, web development, and many more technologies. Lessons are short and to the point. Concepts are explained clearly. And you get real coding examples you can actually understand. Whether you're a complete beginner, a student, or someone switching to tech, Programming Hub helps you learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Instead of feeling stuck and frustrated, you start feeling confident, motivated, and excited to learn. So stop struggling with code. Download Programming Hub, coding app today, and start learning coding the smart way.